So I'm a bit late. I'm meant to be doing a sunrise hike, but it's already started here behind me. I'm going to be on my own today because Julie's not feeling too well. We got a bit too much sun yesterday and she didn't really sleep last night, so I'm going to be on my own. And we're going to go to John Swan viewpoint and have a look at the sunrise. We'll try and get there quick because it's happening already. That's my bike in the corner. I'm going to get it out. I think you need money for it and I have no money. I need to get money off Julie. I need money. Forgot to bring the wallet. I know. Sorry. Thank you, bye bye. Okay, we're finally on the road now. I just remember we were there last time and it was like 50 baht or 20 baht or something like that. So I don't want to be there and then have no money in case they won't let me up. I think I might be getting for free. There's nobody at the place where you pay. We got it free, lovely. It would have been nice for a sunrise, but you look. You win some, you lose some. Wow, look at that. That looks unreal. There's a bit of a cloud cover, so I think the sun hasn't properly come up yet. You'll see it better when we get up there, but so I might not have missed anything, really. We'll see. I'm just trying to make myself feel better. Not gonna lie, I'm pretty goosed already. Oh, stop. Look at this. Oh my god. I'm very unfit. Jesus Christ. Forgot it was like this. I remember there was bits of it that were like tough. I better get my 2 hands on this or I'll fall. Just realised I didn't bring any water either. Guess what happens when Julie doesn't come? I'm never organised. Oh god. I made it. Oh, that's unreal. I'll put up the drone. Back on the bike. I'm going to head now and get a coffee for Julie. We've been craving the coffees in Thailand. They do these lovely iced coffees with some condensed milk. And oh, we used to live with them so much, like we used to get them every day. So we've been craving that. I'm going to try and find one. There's definitely one somewhere here now along the road. John Swan was a success. Alright, so we found one here. Good morning. Room service. Brought you back a present.
Hi. What's...
Iced coffee, condensed milk.
Oh, yum. I love that. I haven't had that in ages. Thank you.
How are you feeling now?
I'm fine. A bit groggy. I literally just woke up. Well, I was on my laptop there doing a bit of editing.
She's a good girl.
How was your hike?
It was actually very nice. There was no people there as well.
Did you miss sunrise? Or do you think
I didn't miss sunrise. It was so nice when I got up there. Clouds were like covering, they were like touching the sea, so the sun actually didn't get up till when I was there. It was just perfect.
I thought you missed it.
Timed it perfect.
How much was it? 15 baht?
Free. Nobody on the gate, so it was a free as well.
Thai tea.
It's not, it's Thai coffee.
Thai coffee is always so strong.
Remember we used to live off them like
it's not even the fact, like they don't even put a lot of shots in, it's just strong coffee.
Yeah, sure there.
It's really good though, and condensed milk.
What do you think?
This tastes the exact same as we've had it any
Yeah.
other time. Yeah,
Condensed milk?
Yeah, but not too much.
Oh my god. That's exactly like I remembered. Very good.
I'm feeling better now. We stayed inside for a while. Just got cleaned up and had a shower and stuff. We would have been outside earlier, but that coffee was so strong. I felt very jittery after it. Like I just had to settle. I didn't want to go outside. Like
I found it very strong as well. I was lying in the bed shaking.
it felt like 5 to 6 shots. We're gonna go for breakfast now because I'm so hungry, and then go to a beach.
Exactly.
Chill day.
I found a little spot down here that we drove past yesterday and it looked really nice. So we're going to try that out and see what the food's like.
We got breakfast burritos. We're starving. It looks massive though. It's going to fill us till dinner, so that's good.
Happy?
We're just on the way to a beach and the views are amazing.
Oh my god. This is unreal. Wow. There's a big rock in the middle here and people are jumping off it. I'm definitely going to do that.
Just watch them do it first and then see.
Look, they're climbing up a rope. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that, he's climbing up a rope now. That's really high. I definitely do it though, if it's steep.
So we just got settled and put our mat down, but it's so hot, like there's not even a breeze. So we have to keep going in the water. I think Daniel is going to do the jump now.
Yeah, I've seen someone jumping off there, so I'm going to do it straight away before the tide changes. Oh, let's go. I'm definitely going to go snorkeling here after. It looks unbelievable. The water looks so clear. Holy moly. This is definitely going to be the biggest jump I ever did. Look at the size of that. To me, that was really scary. That one's so steep and there's nowhere to put your feet, so you nearly have to just hold the rope and climb it up. Because you got up quick. Yeah. I think these are slippery. Probably. Oh, stop.
That's so dangerous.
Isn't it? And this is so scary, look. Holy shit. Oh, if I slip, I'm honestly. Oh. Alright. Oh my god. Here we go. Oh my god, that's class.
We got some spring rolls. We didn't get a big dinner or anything now because we're gonna go have a proper dinner later. So this is snack. Just sit down in the shade.
But that snorkeling out there was unbelievable. I don't know if the clips do
Sorry,
any
an ant
justice.
bit me.
Oh, did I don't know if the clips do any justice, but oh my god, like the colours were savage. So nice. But we have to go find a place to do a dive later, or for tomorrow, and book that just in case they're fully booked out. We've no idea where we're going to go yet. We'll just have to look up.
I think they're all kind of the same.
Yeah, I think they're all good. Like
they all bring you to the same place.
Yeah.
Well,
Are you going to do it?
I don't know yet. Either way, you do it.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to do it anyways. I think you're just a bit afraid because it's been a long time.
My biggest fear is deep water. I did get a license though. I was panicking all the time. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
And plus I feel a bit off the past 24 hours, so we'll see how I am tomorrow. Daniel's just left there. I'm not going to go with him. It's just going to be him doing the dive today because I haven't done it in so long and I'm actually afraid of pretty deep water anyways, and it took a lot for me to do it the first time. I know I got a license and everything, but I don't know, I just not feeling it. He'll be back soon. It's 7 a.m. now, so I think he'll be back around 12, and then I think we're going to go to a beach and have a nice beach day.
Right, it's time to go scuba diving. Alright, so I was really late coming this morning, so I wasn't able to vlog anything in the morning. But we just finished the first dive there and it was unbelievable. We did about 18 meters. And yeah, I've seen lots of like dry coral and nice fishes, and actually seen a snake as well, and they're meant to be poisonous. We just have a 40-minute break now and we'll be going out doing the second dive. I think it's only a 50-meter dive. It's going to be like 3 different spots that we go to going around the different islands. Alright, so we're back on land. Really enjoyed that second dive, but the visibility and everything was unbelievable. I actually didn't realise it was a year since I dived last when we were in Malapascual. I'll actually link that video here. I thought it was only about 6 months ago, but I downloaded the SSI app and my last log dive was 5th of April. But yeah, happy to get out in the water again and do a dive like that. I'm going to try and do a lot more now as we travel if we're in places that I can do them, because I really enjoy it. I'll actually put the name of the spot here. I forget what it's called, but couldn't recommend them enough. Got lots of food on the boat, biscuits, tea, coffee, the whole lot. and then came back here and I got a bit of fried rice and chicken. So yeah, very good. Anyways, we'll head on now and we'll get Julie and we'll carry on with the day.
I literally needed breakfast there so bad I wasn't myself. But now we are on the way to Mango Bay. It's a beach that's hard to get to, like the road doesn't really look great. I took off my helmet for the video and I'm going to put it back on. I don't look cool anymore. Safety first though. I know these roads are not built for the scooter anyways.
I'm going to actually put it in my map so I know where I'm going. Hello, how are you? Mango Bay. Up and down. Up and down. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye. We're not sure if this is the right way, but hopefully it is. There was no signs, and I don't know. We're just following a random road right now. Yeah.
Oh Jesus.
No. Daniel. No.
I can do it.
What do you mean?
I'll be able to do it.
Do you want me to get off?
No. Stay.
It's very scary.
I know, but I'm going
Oh my
easy.
God.
I'm going nice and easy.
Oh my god. Oh my god, Daniel. Daniel.
Oh.
Daniel, please.
Oh, I know. One second. Oh. This is mad. Look at this.
Don't just park and walk.
No. Alright, just be careful now. Just don't be distracting me. You would have some crack on a like off-road bike here. Even like, you know, like a BMX or a mountain bike. It's fast.
We made it down. Google Maps told us this was a dead end, but it's because you have to hike down. You can't get a scooter straight to the beach. I don't know which way we turn now.
My arms are dead. I felt like I was holding top of a press up there. We were so steep and hold on to the handlebars. They're like dead. Oh, it's busy.
There's a load of bikes here.
Ah.
We thought it was quiet because look behind us.
This looks amazing. Look at the water. It's so blue. Smile, Julie.
Come on.
I'm coming. I'm just trying to get a nice photo of you.
Okay, we spoke too soon. The stairs, the really nice stairs, that's finished. That's gone. We're on to these now. Look. I don't know what we're gonna do. We met two guys up there, and all their feet were cut open, and they said it's really hard to get down, but you can swim. We have our bags and stuff. I do have my Tevas on. They're meant to be good for these kind of things, but Johnny's in flip-flops, so I don't know what you're gonna do. Look at this. That's not safe.
But it looks really nice, so.
So this is the right way because look at the arrow, and there's another arrow there. So we just follow the arrows and go around. This is the way. There's no other way.
We said we were going to have a nice relaxing day, go for a drive on the bike, go to a nice bay and relax. And now I haven't the energy to wipe my own arse.
Look at your neck.
I'm wrecked. I'm after diving twice today.
I'm not joking you. My really expensive sunglasses fell down. It's not even funny. My really expensive sunglasses fell down here. And now Daniel's down there looking for him. What?
Have them.
Do you have them?
Had to go through a little hole and I nearly got stuck. But I got them.
I actually can't believe you. Thank you so much. Oh my god, we literally just made it down to the bottom. It is worth it, like it's a beautiful beach, and there is actually a restaurant up here so you can get drinks and food. You're not completely stranded, but yeah, it is really nice, I have to say. It's just the thought of going back up these rocks now. It's not the end. Look at Daniel. I just went straight in the sea as soon as I came down. I didn't even, just took off my clothes and left them on the sand. Oh my god.
Found a lovely little spot here in the shade and a big rock so we can lean up against it. And it's absolutely lovely. Look at the view as well. Happy out, Julie?
That was hard.
We did have other plans for today, but I honestly think that we're just going to stay here until sunset and just enjoy it here. But yeah, that's the plan now for the rest of the day. Just going to chill at the beach here, then do that hike back again.
Daniel ripped his shorts coming down. Only spotted it now.
You're bad?
Huh?
Don't be showing.
Oh, show me.
Oh, bad.
Oh, bad. There's a party boat over there. It was nice and quiet before they came.
We were just saying before they came, me and Julie were like, this is such a peaceful beach. And then the boat just literally came around the corner and you could just hear music thumping. But they seem like they're having a good time.
That happened on the hike down.
Don't.
The sun literally just went down, and that hike that we done coming down, I don't want to do that in the dark, so we better go now, and we're going to end the vlog here. We kind of just put 3 days into one. It was mostly Daniel because I wasn't really feeling up for it. I think I got too much sun. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.